Welcome to the Drunken Bear Hello Bear Squad. Today we will show you our beautiful apartment in Warsaw. So follow me. This apartment is absolutely gorgeous. We paid about 39 Australian dollars, so probably less than $30 in US dollars. So first of all, you would enter which is kind of like a dress room, which is my dream personally. I always wanted to have a dress room. Obviously I couldn't utilize it much because, you know, my life is this actually. This is a reality. And look at this bedroom. So it's got a nice big bed. Oh! And I felt like it's a home because look, there's books everywhere here too. I love insulation in Europe. It's so much better than Australia. A little bit ugly here because, like I said, we're about to leave this place. But yeah, there's a couch here, another couch here, and there is a dining table. This was kind of like our workspace. So like you see, Nick is working on his blog. By the way, if you haven't checked out our blog or website, please click the link down below. And also I'm editing the video here.
Okay, now you got me for the rest of this house tour, so I apologize in advance. I'm going to show you our kitchen, so follow me. So I really like this kitchen. It's just divided by this kind of divider thing here, which is really cool because it keeps things open space. But also, we've got all of our dishes in here. Have a look here. So, and there's just everything. We've got a big massive fridge with also heaps of room for a freezer too. So 3 different freezer things. The cupboard's just filled with stuff, of course, like pots, pans, all that kind of stuff. All the usual stuff, nothing special. But it did come with some tea and coffee and things like that, which is really handy. It came with this like coffee percolator. So I don't know if you've ever used one of them, but it's really handy. Again, everything here. So it's the toilet and shower as one. We've got a washing machine, was probably one of the best. That's pretty much it for the bathroom. It came with some like little things like toothpaste. It actually came with like so many products and everything in here, and just like even like a spare like loafer thing. And just this Airbnb really did have it all the little things that you need as a traveler it had, so really good. We're about to get ready to leave Warsaw and we're so incredibly sad about it. We just feel I kind of feel anxious about it for some weird reason. So we're heading to Lithuania on a Lux Express bus, and it's a 10-hour bus ride. So again, that's another thing not to look forward to. We get to Vilnius at 5 a.m, which is way too early. The bus kind of changed time, so we're getting there earlier. And because it's a Sunday as well, there's absolutely going to be nothing open, nothing around that bus stop from what I can tell. So it's going to be -3 degrees, nothing open in a new city. It's not usually the easiest way to find yourself around. Also the fact that we got to wait for our check-in for Airbnb, so we can't just go straight there as well. So we've got to work out that one.
We are finally at Jakodnia bus stop for the bus to Lithuania. It was so confusing. It's unbelievable because we thought that bus stop is a full domestic. So we were looking for the bus stop for international for ages, and like no one could speak English, so we couldn't get any help. I have still some data left from Poland, so I quickly called the number on our tickets on Lux Express, and the staff said the Jakodnia has only one bus stop, so that is it. So we went there, and then we couldn't find the name, the Vilnius, in the time schedule, and we were like, what's going on? And actually Vilnius was called in different name. It was actually Wilno in Polish. And we finally saw the name Vilno in the time schedule, and we were like, yes, finally. So we are now we are just having dinner in this United Chicken.
Yeah.
Oh god.
United Chicken, and we've got about 20 minutes till our bus leaves, so we'll try to have this pretty quickly. And yeah, such a relief that we found it, because we were just kind of running around completely, not knowing where to go.
United Chicken. It's like an American restaurant concept.
Yeah, look, it looks very superhero looking.
Yeah. Hello guys, finally we are on board. Anyway, so now we are at the bus. This is a new bus company called Lux Express. I'm pretty impressed already. As soon as I showed my passport and the bus ticket, the driver gave me water bottle straight away. So we got 2 water bottles, and makes me think we paid about 10 pounds, 10 euros, and I was like, how does that work out? Already like 1 or 2 euros out of our 10 euros. So I don't know how they make money, but anyway, it's good for us. Toilet works good, which is really important because it's just gonna be 10 hours bus.
Oh, it's got some pretty new movies, so pretty excited, but also 10-hour bus ride, you never know how it's going to go, so hopefully it goes well, and we'll see you guys at the end of the bus ride. We have arrived in Vilnius, guys. It was a 10-hour bus ride, so it wasn't so good, but it wasn't so bad either. There was like TV screens and stuff. Mine, of course, didn't work. The only one in the whole bus that didn't work, but you know, them's the breaks. I was trying to sleep anyway, which didn't really work either. The bus was so warm. It must have been set at like 27, 28 degrees. It was just too hot to sleep. The first impression of Lithuania already is pretty interesting, and you'll see it in our next video. But for now, we'll say nap time for us. So thanks heaps for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.